To view your payment history on Xoom, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and access your transaction records easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Xoom link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the activity section. Once logged in, look for the Activity or Transactions tab in the main menu. Click on this option to view a summary of your recent transactions. Step 3. Filter your payment history. In the Activity section, you may have options to filter your payment history by date, status, or type of transaction. Use these filters to narrow down the list to find specific payments. Step 4. Select the transaction. Browse through your payment history and click on any transaction to view more details. This will provide you with information such as the amount sent, recipient details, and transaction status. Step 5. Download or print your history. If you need a record of your payment history, look for options to download or print the transaction details. This feature is usually available within the Transaction Details page. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your payment history on Xoom. If you have any further questions, consider checking the help section or contacting customer support for assistance.